A man accused of brutally beating two boys to death with a baseball bat in a Phoenix park pleaded not guilty today.
As to all four charges, new or old, I will enter a not guilty plea on your behalf.
Prosecutors say Joe Gallegos killed 10-year-old Edwin Policier and 7-year-old Jesse Ramirez with a baseball bat in 2008. Gallegos was arrested shortly after, but he was found mentally incompetent at the time. He was just released from the state hospital and rebooked into jail. He's expected back in court at the beginning of May.
You're trying to suggest that the statute says, well, it's your choice, either buy insurance or pay a penalty or pay a fee. But that's not the way the statute reads.
President Barack Obama's Affordable Health Care Act has been met with controversy from day one, and today opponents took their calls to repeal the law to the nation's highest court. Our Frank Camacho has more on what this all might mean for Arizonans. Frank?
Well, Patty, in the short term, it means that we will soon have a decision on universal health care in America. Arizona is one of more than 20 states suing the federal government, yet it is also covering its bases just in case it loses.
Well, I'm certainly glad that we're going to have our day in court.
In fact, those in support of and opposed to the Affordable Health Care Act will have 3 days to present their case before the U.S. Supreme Court. The major issue the court is being asked to address is the individual mandate, requiring every American to purchase health insurance.
The argument for the individual mandate is they'll actually lower the cost of health insurance by covering everybody.
Local attorney Jonathan Frutkin has a great deal of experience in healthcare law. He says, in theory, healthcare costs will be reduced by an exchange set up in each individual state whereby consumers can purchase insurance.
The advantage, though, to people in Arizona will be the fact that they can go online, look at all the different health plans, and compare them to each other and pick one that's best for them and their family.
And certainly to mandate individuals to buy something or purchase something in America is inherently and unconstitutionally wrong.
Nevertheless, Arizona is forging ahead, setting up its own insurance exchange under the tutelage of Don Hughes.
We're prepared to implement a state exchange based on free market conservative principles that will be ready to go October 1st, 2013, when open enrollment starts.
Hughes says Arizona is adopting an open free market approach, which he is confident will keep prices down.
We believe that we should be building upon our existing competitive insurance market. We should be providing as much choice and competition on the exchange as possible.
Hughes says the state is using federal grant money to design its program. The Supreme Court is expected to render its decision by June. At the state capitol, I'm Frank Camacho, 3 TV.